We do comes out of my need, my interest in prevention. As a couple therapist or a couple counselor, I see hundreds of couples and I understand what basically does them in at the end. We can see it. We can predict things that are going to take a relationship down. And I would like to be able to see people from the very beginning and help them learn very early how to be secure functioning, how to create a couple bubble, how to think about their union in a way that makes sense. There's a purpose. There's something we serve. There's a reason for being together. And it's beyond we're attracted to each other. We love each other. We have the same interests. Those things are not good for the long run. They're nice and they're important, but there has to be something more substantial, some reason for being together that is good for the long term. And that is mutuality, secure functioning, collaboration, cooperation, fairness, justice, mutual sensitivity. These are principles to live by, and they serve both people. So when we think of I do, we're thinking of a one-person system. When we think of we do, we're talking about the formation of a society, the smallest unit of a society, a union between two separate individuals, two autonomous, free-thinking, different brains, people who are forging agreements together. We do this. We put the relationship first. We tell each other everything. We have each other's backs in private and in public. We protect each other. We are the first to know things. These are important principles. These are what vows really should be and are not. A discussion or a declaration of weism. What are we? What culture do we represent? What do we stand for? What are our principles that we live by? This is what we do as a couple, and this is what we don't do. This actually makes life easier, and this actually is how civilizations form. Otherwise, we'd all be killing each other, right? We'd be doing whatever we want. That's human nature. So how do two people live a long life together in harmony? By making agreements, by pointing in the same direction, having a vision, having a reason for being, a purpose, and it's a we do, not an I do. So get ready for the idea of a weism. We're moving culturally, hopefully, now back to we, us, because we need other people. We don't do anything well by ourselves. It's time to realize that and to make dependency and interdependency a good word again.